are now going to unbox this pressure cleaner. We just got it, and it was a good bargain, right?
Yes.
And the last couple of years we haven't done any pressure wash. So let's unbox and see what's inside this.
Even with app.
Oh, there's an app to it, okay.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yes, so small.
There's the instruction manual.
In about 50 different languages.
20-30 language as usual because it's sold everywhere. It has 2 wheels. It's a little bit cheaply done than what my neighbor has, but it has 5-year warranty.
And less than 100 Swiss francs.
Yeah, so 100 Swiss francs. This is a bargain.
So you
can't expect the same quality as my neighbor.
Brand is really good, top brand, very cheap price. So 5 years warranty.
We are going to only use it once a year, so
Exactly.
hopefully
So
that's
what
we are not.
more you want? No need to invest too
Yeah,
much.
we are not investing more on it. Oh, that's so tiny. I didn't know that. Oh my. And here is all the pipe. Where's the wire? Oh, yeah. Oh, what plug does it have? Ah, this is the normal plug here. Swiss plug, right?
It's a standard one.
Yeah, the standard one. We always have to check because sometimes you accidentally can get a German plug. What's it? Yeah.
It comes with two different
Kind of pressure
jets or something.
jets, yeah.
You can have inexpensive additional jets and stuff.
Okay, and this is how attach it. Are you going to do a demo? Quite. So what else? Some extra nozzle, I think. It's a nozzle for
And the
that.
screws probably for the handle.
The extra screw and nozzle is there. Here, there's one here. Look for that. That's for that. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just when the sound is there. I told you that's the nozzle to attach. It's very windy. Five years warranty is not too bad, I should say. Ah, but where's the
The soap thing.
container for the soap? What? For what?
To put this in.
Okay, the pipe. It's a lot of pollen. That's too deep.
Press together and then somewhere like this. Get apart and I put it together. Okay.
This is the standard thing which we get with our garden hose, right? So that's good. We could do the shoes now. It's quite loud. It's very loud.